Hi folks, today I'm going to carry on from the demonstration of how I use Mediafire with one for Dropbox. Dropbox, I've had an account for a couple of years, used it very infrequently, but there's been some discussion on the forum regarding using it, so I thought it only fair to demonstrate how I use it. I've put a shortcut on my home page here, so hopefully clicking on that will open my Dropbox home page. There are the bits and pieces that I've got installed in Dropbox. Not very much. I believe the limit is 2 gigabytes, which is somewhat less than Mediafire. Here we've got the upload icon where you click on that and it'll take you to your computer and you can select which file to upload. Here we've got a new folder icon, which I always create a new folder in Mediafire, so I'm going to do the same thing with Dropbox. So we'll click on that. And we'll call it My Titanic, if I can spell it right. It is early. Right, there we go, My Titanic. And there's the folder, so I'm going to open the folder and it's saying the folder is empty. So I'm going to add your files using the desktop application or the web uploader. So I'm going to click on web uploader, choose files, and it opens my computer desktop where I can find My Titanic, I hope. Which is in my exe files 2012, and I'll just enlarge that so you can see it. There we go, My Titanic. Double click that, just enlarge that again. Right, I've already created a My Titanic zip. If you don't know how to do that now, I'll just do it again. Just hover your mouse over the exe icon, right click it, send to compress zip folder. Now it's saying Windows cannot create a zip folder, the file may be in use. I think the reason for that is because I've already created one here and I've been dumping stuff in my recycle bin, so I think it's picking up on that. But for the purpose of this exercise, I'm going to highlight the My Titanic zip and click open. There you go, upload to My Titanic. And you can see the blue progress bar going across. We've reached halfway now about, I think, so I'll just pause it again to keep this recording short and sweet. Doesn't appear as though Dropbox gives you a percentage of where your upload is at, which is one of the features of Mediafire, that you can judge how far it has to go. This, you just have to rely on the blue progress bar. It looks as though it's got to go all the way across before the file is fully uploaded. So we'll just pause it again. Right, we'll just let this finish off now and see what happens. I'm a little curious myself because it's a long time since I've used it. It says it's done, so we'll click on that and there we go. So we've got a blue bar here with My Titanic zip and a share link on the opposite end. So if we click on that I'm assuming that that will go to share my Titanic zip. Well, I'm not going to put anybody's names in there because it's obviously going on to the forum this, so we'll just say get link. And we've got a note up there, link copied to clipboard. So for all intents and purposes, that should be finished now. We'll click on Dropbox. And there's my Titanic. So we'll finish this demonstration of how I upload a folder to Dropbox.